Hey friends, if Discord is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to make it work. Here's what we have to do. First of all, search for Discord in the Windows search bar and then click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. If that helps, well and good, because it needs a while to download the updates, and yes, you need to be connected to the internet for that. Okay, to make sure that you're connected to the internet, just go to fast.com and check the internet connection speed. Okay, so this is one thing. And the next one is that other than running it as an administrator, if this doesn't work, then check the internet connection. And other than this, you can reinstall the app because there's nothing else that you can do with it. So uninstall it. Click on these three dots and uninstall it. Remove it from your system. Once it is removed completely, search for store in the Windows search bar. Go to the Microsoft Store, search for Discord here and hit enter. Go to the Discord application and then click on install here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.